Okay, today I'm going to show you how to get your SAM file off of your computer using a flash drive so that you can later open it up and view it and crack the hashes using John the Ripper or Kane or whatever tool you choose to use. A little information about the SAM file. It's a file located in your computer on your local disk in Windows System 32 config. It's called the SAM file. Normally, when you go to open it, it'll ask you what you want to use, and we're going to use Notepad. And when you hit OK, it'll tell you that you can't open it because it's being used. That's Windows' way of saying you shouldn't be using this file. There's no logical reason for you to be trying to open it, and it's a pretty good chance you're trying to get in and crack the hashes. So Windows got smart after about Windows 2000 or 2003, when XP came out. They started making it so you can't look at the SAM file. So now we're going to have to boot to a Knoppix disk, extract it, and put it on some portable device, like I'm going to use a flash drive, and from there we can open it up on the flash drive and do all the things we need to do. Okay, so now that we know that we need to get in this SAM file, we're going to need to get Knoppix. Knoppix is a Linux-based live CD that will let you boot into a Linux-typed operating system, and from there you can go in to your drive and get the SAM file. To get Knoppix, I'm going to put this link in the description so you can go and get it, and you're going to want to download it with a torrent program like BitTorrent or uTorrent, or if your browser can open it, that's cool too. You're going to need to have a DVD ready, which is at least 3.63 gigs, and ready to go. Just in case it doesn't work the first time, I would recommend using a DVD RW rewritable, but it's a pretty thorough process, so I doubt you'll have any trouble with it. Once you download the torrent, you're going to have an ISO file that you're going to need to put on a disk. When you go to put it on the disk, you can use several programs. I used one that comes with Windows 7. Actually, I used one that comes with my Toshiba laptop, but these programs normally come with a computer now. But if you're using an older system like XP or Vista, you're going to need to get a ISO burning software like Nero or Magic ISO or something like that. Once you get it, you just simply burn the ISO to it, and when I did it, it didn't take more than about 30 minutes. So once it's on there, you're going to have a disk ready to go in and load you into a Knoppix kernel. Alright, when you're ready for that, pop the disk in and reboot. When you reboot, you have a short amount of time you need to press. On most computers it's F12, but it might be F10 on yours, but it'll say open boot menu, so you click that and it'll ask where you want to boot from, and you choose the CD, and then it will load onto the Knoppix kernel. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will start the video there. Okay, so Knoppix doesn't really have a good recording device, or it has one, but the file types aren't the same, and I can't run Camtasia, so I'm just going to give you a step-by-step on how to move your SAM file using Knoppix. After Knoppix boots, open the folder next to what looks like the start button. It'll be right down here near where my Opera is. And you click that and it'll open up a different looking Windows Explorer thing for Linux. When it's open, you click the plus symbol so you can open another tab. Now you have two tabs since you're going to be switching the same file over from one to the other easily. On one tab, go to your root, into Windows, into System32, into config, and where your SAM file is. On the other, go to your external storage thing, like a flash drive. Simply cut, copy, and paste. You don't want to cut. So copy, paste into your flash drive, and you will have your SAM file on both your computer and your flash drive, and you can log out from Knoppix and view the SAM in Windows off of your flash drive. It's still going to be blocked in config, but you can look in and see the hashes when it's on your flash drive. That's pretty much all you got to do to get to it. You'll probably want to write these steps down since you can't watch this video and do all this at the same time, not on one computer. I hope you learned a little something from this video, and I hope it works for you.